Pressure washing job.
All right, let's get started.
Pressure washing update.
It's looking good, I must say.
I bought a new 14-inch Briggs and Stratton surface cleaner,
Which works quite well, in my opinion, for what it's worth. 60 bucks. The slower you go, the better results. Then you gotta use the wand over it afterwards and then spray some chem in there.
update on the job. It's going good. We're about an hour in.
It goes so much faster with the surface cleaner. All right, about to wrap it up, you guys. Another job done, and I'll see you on the next one.